Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Umbali Sikhosana comes with more evidence yokuthi vele ex-husband yakhe beyimshaya. This is after the ex-husband did a video denying Tindula Tishilo Umbali ngayo, denying the fact that uke wamshaya. Washo nje mfana video ukuthi yena kakase ambeke isandla kumbali. Mbali is making all these things up so that yena tobukeka njengemuntu lomubi. Wayethi Mbali ayibona ama-screenshots now. One thing about the KP Proof, that's very important, guys. Masikufika kwetindaba leti, so because now people are saying ukuthi maybe she's lying, maybe she's making up these stories because usamfuna back, because uva buhlungu, and ugele ukhiphile guys ma-screenshots now. Uthi Mbali to the guy, clearly you don't know what you have, that's why ungishaya. Even if you can say sorry, I will never forgive you, not this time. My whole face is swollen because of you. I've been suffering from a headache because you hit me on the head all the time. Uthi lo body, don't go, I'm sorry. Uthi Mbali actually she wanted to say I'd rather stay in the garage than to settle for someone who claims to love me and treats me bad and abuse me. Uthi the guy, I'm sorry. If umuntu akamshaya ngisho bekumele asho ukuthi angakushaya Mbali. Why kulama screenshots akukho labonakala khona guy athi angakushayi, instead lokuthi yena I'm sorry. Okay, uthi Mbali you are sick wena. The guy uthi I'm sorry. Uthi at this point I don't want anything to do with you. It's true when they say he hit you once, he will become a habit. No one has ever hit me like this, not even my dad or my stepdad. Label, I thought you will change, but I was wrong. You have hurt me so bad. There's no explanation to what you do. So the guy was just saying I'm sorry all the time, I'm sorry. Like, he doesn't even say anything else. Usho nje kuphela ukuthi I'm sorry. Aloku kuyatibulale ke Mbali ngetigadla tema-paragraph yena nedavela aqhamuke nga I'm sorry, and akhombisa kahle lama-screenshot lawo ukuthi vele the guy was worrying uMbali. If ngabe kangamura ngisho bekosasho la kulama screenshots makathi Mbali ungishayile asho ukuthi hey mina ngizange ngikushaye, why aqhamuke kwe video now aduthi mina ngase ngikushaye. Uyaqhubeka guy uthi if you leave don't come back. Kusho guy, kusho leave, kusho kubani? Kusho kuMbali. Uthi baby talk to me, I'm sorry, can I call you if you don't mind? So this guy is making fool of us on the video, saying ukuthi akakasashaya Mbali, denying yonke le nto Mbali bekayikhuluma, knowing very well ukuthi he's lying. He's just doing it damage control because now we are trend. Everyone's just talking about him. And what kind of a man are you? So the guy actually lied lapha kule video, lying about Mbali, saying Mbali uyatikhandela tonke leti tori leti. But now my screenshots akhombisa kahle. Oh, very clear, written in bold, black and bold. Oh, uyasho Mbali ukuthi utsiniwe kushaywa nguwe, and the guy was just saying ukuthi I'm sorry. Why angadeny to those screenshots ukuthi sibone ukuthi mhlawumbe there's a part where the guy said ukuthi hey mina Mbali ngase ngikushaye waye ngisukela. Oh my goodness, men will always be men, man. I hope okay Shemuto healer, she'll be fine. I hope one day don't lula. Hope one day utophola. It gets better with time. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.